Ain zabar a. Ain zer i. Ain pesh u. Haya, read Ain pesh u. Okay, now combine the three sounds together. A-i-u. Haya, I can't even hear you. A-i-u. No, this is not alif. This is ain. You have to take out the ain sound from your throat. Like a-i-u.